Why was NCB only able to raise half of what they wanted from the APO? I'm Kalila Reynolds, founder and CEO of Money Media, Money News Made Simple. So NCB Financial Group was initially targeting 5 billion Jamaican dollars from its additional public offer. That's about 32 million US dollars. They even had plans to possibly upsize to as much as 7.5 billion. But in this environment, I thought it would have been a tough sell, and indeed they came up short. The APO opened on May 6 and closed on June 3. After extending the offer for an extra week, the company received about 3,000 applications. And even though it wasn't what they wanted, the NCB execs say they're still pleased with the APO's performance. CEO of NCB Capital Markets Angus Young said that given the high interest rate environment and Jamaica's tight financial policies, 2.5 billion is still good. The Bank of Jamaica has held interest rates at 7% for almost 2 years now to help curb inflation and stabilize the Jamaican dollar. But while that helps with inflation, it also impacts investor behavior. Why invest in stocks when you can get high interest rates on bonds and fixed deposits? Also, other factors such as consumer confidence in NCB may have impacted the success of the APO. We've seen where a number of customers have expressed dissatisfaction with NCB's customer service and also their fraud protection. Now, NCB plans to take the money they've raised and use it to pay off some debt and make sure it's a financial holding company that's in a strong position. They're also looking to upgrade their network of ABMs all over the island to meet the new standards set by the BOJ. And we all know those ABMs need upgrade, not just NCB, all of them. NCB stock ended trading on June 12 at $57.62, which is actually lower than the APO price of $65. So if you bought into the APO, you're down 11%. But to be fair, NCB shares were already trading below APO price even during the APO. And that could have been a reason that many retail investors stayed away. My guess is that institutional investors like pension funds were the ones who bought into the APO heavily. Because if you're trying to buy NCB shares en masse, an APO is a great opportunity to snap up the numbers you wouldn't otherwise be able to get. And if you're thinking long term, meaning 10 years or more, you also have the chance to get a lot of shares at a relatively low price, all things considered. Remember, a couple years ago, it was over $200, and that's the bottom line. So what do you think? Do you believe NCB stock will eventually bounce back? Let me know in the comments. Take my Investing for Beginners course to learn the right time to buy and sell stocks. Click the link up here or in the description. Let's get this money.